New to training arms? Here's the perfect triceps workout for beginners to build strength and muscle fast. Let's dive in because strong arms start with strong triceps. The triceps make up about 2/3 of your upper arm, so if you want bigger, more defined arms, you can't skip them. First up, let's talk about the basics. The triceps have 3 heads: the long head, the lateral head, and the medial head. To build strength and muscle, you want to hit all 3. Exercise 1. Triceps, pushdowns. You can use a resistance band or a cable machine. Stand tall, elbows tucked in, push the band or bar down until your arms are straight, then slowly return. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Next, triceps kickbacks. Grab a light dumbbell. Hinge forward at your hips, keep your upper arm still and extend your arm back. Squeeze at the top. Feel that burn. Go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now the classic bench dip. Use a sturdy chair or bench, hands behind you, feet out front. Lower yourself until your elbows hit 90 degrees, then press up. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Remember, form over weight, focus on slow, controlled reps. That's how you build real strength and muscle growth. You can do this beginner triceps routine at home or in the gym. No fancy equipment needed. Stick with it and you'll see those arms get stronger and more toned every week. Thanks for watching. If this beginner triceps workout helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone starting their fitness journey. Which triceps exercise is your favorite? Pushdowns, kickbacks, or dips? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. Remember, strong arms start with strong triceps. Let's get after it.